Dad. Yeah, please don't mess the car up. Oh.
What'd you put in here?
No, I didn't put anything in there.
So what happened with the thing?
So some kids actually just ripped off the the front bumper, I think that's called, or the grill.
Some kids did that?
Yeah, so maybe they left this.
Oh, damn. I've never seen that before. They stole that? It's like $30.
Yeah, they did. I don't know,
Probably
you
just
know.
playing a prank, honestly. Kids these days,
Yeah.
they don't understand.
Maybe if I return this, they'll give it back.
Do you think they left this in there?
Probably, because I feel like it would be so hard to leave something in there.
It's okay if I open it, right?
Yeah. I mean, I hope there's nothing dangerous inside.
Oh my god. Oh, and that was jammed up in there. Take a look. Take a look inside.
Yeah, it was.
I had it all the way down there.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god. Yeah, it was like I barely am able to reach it. It was sitting on the bottom of the front bumper.
Wow.
God. Oh, dang, these are on tight. What the heck is this?
Oh. Maybe like pages from a book.
Yeah, this looks like an old newspaper. Oh, maybe they're all pages from a book. Damn. Well, I'm telling you, yeah, it's this piece right here. It's only about $30. But finding it's gonna be the real problem. Probably gonna go online and find a little junk yard or something.
Oh. And then would you be able to install it?
Yeah, I mean, you can bring it in if you want to. I kind of don't like to charge people for that type of stuff because it's just a clip-on.
Oh,
you can
gotcha.
easily do it yourself if you need. And I'll just probably have to place an order for the part. Do you know if you want like a new one or is pre-used? Pre-owned fine.
I could do a used one.
A used one?
Yeah,
Okay.
as long as there's not too many like scrapes and.
I mean, like when I look at I'll show you the junkyard website, so I'll show you what they have.
Okay.
Typically they're all pretty good condition. It's just the front bumper.
Oh, gotcha.
How long have you had the car?
I've had this car since high school, so it's been about 8 years now.
8 years? Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, it sounds good when I started it up, so.
Yeah, no, it's never given me any issues, but
I just can't believe some teenagers just ripped off your.
I know. I live in a rough part of the city, so, you know, they're always just getting into trouble. Of course, I'm the victim of this one.
Oh my gosh.
Gosh, I can't believe they went through all of this to.
I don't know, it seems like it's just like a prank.
Right. Like
They probably like ripped the thing off your car and then were like, haha, let's hide this in there.
Yeah.
I don't think she's ever gonna find it.
I hope it's not an IOU type of letter.
Because would they have the right car or wrong car? Have you been involved in anything recently?
No, I haven't, but you never know.
Yeah.
Or maybe they're trying to hide something in here to get later. I hope they're not into anything crazy.
I mean, if they're doing all this, it's definitely something crazy. What the heck is this? What's this? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Why did they use so many layers for this?
It must be something important, maybe.
God, that was all the way in there, like elbow
was...
deep. Let me see if there's anything else. Feel around. Now I feel the radiator.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything else in here. God. Ooh. Don't want to drop it. You know, I'm feeling it. It's a weird shape.
It seems like a weird shape. Look at me that small.
I have no idea, but they wrapped it real well. Bunch of different layers. Oh, God. What did they put in here?
Maybe...
You don't have any problems with anyone?
No, I have no problems with anyone. I mean...
You're not involved in, like, any type of... I mean, not that it matters.
Yeah, no, I mean, my only enemy is, like, Jenny from work. But that's a whole nother story.
And you said this happened, though, at home? At
yeah.
Your home?
No, I know this happened at home. I actually have footage of just...
I mean, well, I hope they catch the guys.
Yeah, so do I.
Jeez. What is this? It's like a rubber or latex. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. It's a nice watch. Do you recognize this?
No.